Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your BMW app cannot connect to CarPlay. In this case, obviously I'm not using an iPhone, I'm on an Android device, but the solution is basically exactly the same. First, we need to make sure that the BMW app is compatible with your car. CarPlay only works on BMW models with iDrive 5.0 or higher. If your car is from 2017, it's almost guaranteed that it supports it. Once compatibility is confirmed, what else should we check? We have to make sure that CarPlay is enabled on our iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Here on Android, you'll see Android Auto instead. Make sure your BMW appears on the list. If it does, forget the device and pair it again. Next, try resetting your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just turn them off and back on. Simple as that. You can also restart your iPhone if you want to be sure everything is running normally. Another thing you can do is delete previous connections on your BMW. To do that, go to Mobile Devices in your car and remove your iPhone from the list. Then add it again as a new device under the Apple CarPlay section. We also need to enable CarPlay in the AirPlay settings of your vehicle. Go to Mobile Devices, select your iPhone, and activate Apple CarPlay. Once this is done, you'll be able to see whether your vehicle has CarPlay enabled. Some BMW models require a CarPlay license, especially 2017 to 2019 models. CarPlay was offered as an activatable service in those years. If someone reinstalled the software or reset system settings, you may need to activate it again. To do that, go to BMW Connected Drive Services and from the My BMW app, complete the activation steps. You can also try updating the software. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. For the BMW system, go to My BMW, then Settings, then Vehicle Software Update, or download the update from the official BMW website and install it via USB. Another important thing, check your cable, especially for cars that used wired CarPlay. If your BMW uses a cable, which is less common, make sure it's an MFI certified cable and avoid generic or damaged cables. If you're unsure, try another USB port in the car. Near the end of the process, you should also restart iDrive. To do this, hold the volume button for 30 seconds. The screen will turn off and reboot. This fixes temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, you can perform a deeper reset. Some models allow you to reset the car system by going to Settings and Reset Factory Settings. But be careful, this will erase your configurations. If CarPlay still won't connect, then you'll need to check the specific model of your BMW, because each year may have slightly different requirements. But with the steps I just gave you, the issue is usually solved easily and without any problems.